Hey guys, welcome back to Web Tech Tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how to log in on BankWest. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, open the web browser. After that, type www.bankwest.com.au.login. Furthermore, click on the first link appeared on your screen. Now BankWest official website will open up. Here, simply by adding your personal access number and password, you can log in to BankWest. If you have forgotten your personal access number, you can recover it by clicking on Forgotten Your PAN. And after that, you can log into the BankWest. So this was it. Hope this video was helpful. If you find this video helpful, make sure to give us a big thumbs up and see you in next video. Bye bye.